Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I will be working on this beautiful Mercedes-Benz E-Class plug-in hybrid. Today's program is to thoroughly clean the car, polish it and ceramic coat it. Interior should be cleaned as well as leather protected. If you like this kind of content, please like this video and consider subscribing. It gives me more motivation to create these kind of videos. By the way, all the links to products will be added in the description under this video for you guys to check them out. So let's get started.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right.